Hello sewing friends, welcome back to my sewing room. Are you looking for a dress that's not only comfortable and cute but hides the tummy? Then I have a dress pattern for you. Today I'm wearing my pretty pin tuck dress that I made using my pattern. This is made out of a stretch knit and it's so comfortable and it's so cute and it's just flowy enough to hide the tummy and I love it. I get so many compliments every time I wear it. Look at how the cardigan really dresses it up. I've worn this to weddings, to dinner, to church, for Easter Sunday. And I just love this dress. It's super comfortable, but it's so pretty, especially in the knit fabric. But if you want a more casual dress, let me show you a casual dress I made out of cotton fabric. I actually used quilting cotton, but you can use cotton blends and things like that. But wait till you see the cotton dress. It's so cute. And here it is made in a cotton fabric. Look at how cute this is. And it has, I put pockets on this one. It's so cute and comfy. And look how cute it looks with the jean jacket. Isn't it adorable? And it's super comfy and casual. If any of you make my dress, I would love for you to tag me on Instagram and type in hashtag pretty pin tuck dress. And if you do a video showing the dress you made using my pattern, do a hashtag pretty pin tuck dress there also, and that way I can search and find you. Or just tag me with @Robyn's Love of Sewing. And I can't wait to see your dresses because you're gonna love them. I love these dresses. I can't make enough of them. So let me show you another one I made. And here's another knit dress I made. Isn't it pretty? This is a 95% polyester and 5% spandex. And it just really dresses up this dress by using the knit fabric. Isn't it cute? And look how dressy it looks with the cardigan. It's so pretty. I always get compliments on this dress too when I wear it out. People always ask me where I got it. I have one more dress to show you. And here's another cotton dress I just made this week. I'm actually still working on this one. It's a navy and I didn't have any navy thread and I used white thread, so I'm not crazy about the white showing up so obvious in the pin tucks, but at least it matches the white polka dots. But I still have to hem this one and I still have to add pockets. But here it is in a cotton. This is another quilting cotton fabric. I love cotton because it's so nice to wear in Florida, and the more you wash it, the softer it gets. So you can make a cute and comfy casual dress, or you can make a really dressy, more elegant dress by using a knit fabric. So here this one is. Isn't it cute with the jean jacket too? I love it. I love navy and I love polka dots. So cute. So another casual look. And then also you can add a cardigan with this. And here it is with a white cardigan. Isn't it cute? I just love these dresses. I can't wait to make more. I've got you covered whether you like to sew with knit fabric or cotton. You can do both with this dress. And there's no buttons, no zippers. You just slip it on over your head. And I have a detailed video showing you step by step how to make this, and also detailed instructions that come with it too. I have it in a cute little booklet you can print out, or an 8.5 by 11 you can print out. And this is the one I like because I need to see better. So it has the body measurement chart. And it also has the finished garment chart to make it easier to pick out your size. And the line drawings. And it has fabric yardage and layout, how to print and tape your pattern together, step-by-step instructions. And the last page has vocabulary and a place for your notes. And then if you need extra help, I made my tutorial video extremely detailed. It's 59 minutes long, but I put timestamps so you can go directly to the part that you need help with. And I made it very detailed so even a beginner sewer can make my dress. But those of you that already know a lot about sewing, you can just go to wherever you need help to see, especially like how the little hack I use to draw my pin tuck lines. You'll want to go check that out. And also make sure you fold the fabric wrong sides together, because you have to trace your pin tuck lines on the front of your dress to be able to create the pin tucks. So make sure you watch that part and how I punch holes in my pattern to draw the pin tuck lines. That's a really cool hack I have on there. So definitely check that out on my video, and it's all timestamped so you can go directly to the section that you need without having to watch the entire video. So I hope you guys love your pin tuck dress as much as I do. And comment below and tell me what fabric you're going to use. Are you going to do a knit dress or a cotton dress or both? Because I love both. I love having the dressier fabric knits for going out to dinner and out to weddings and things like that. And then I also love my cotton dresses for just being casual around the house, because I just love wearing dresses every day. But this one is so cute and so comfy. It's a PDF pattern, and it's available for letter size, print at home. It's also available for AO, which is overseas, and it's also available to be printed at a print shop, so you don't have to print and tape it up yourself. And it also has available to be used with a projector if you have a projector. So I wanted to make it available to as many people as possible. And my size chart goes from a bust size 37 to a bust size 56. Thank you so much for all your support, and I want to thank my testers. I want to thank Sherry from Granny Sewing Room. She helped test out my dress, and I will link her channel below and also her video. Once she sends me the link, I will link to her video where she shows you the dress she made using my pattern. And she was such an encouragement to me. Thank you, Sherry. And I want to thank Chris from Sew Notes. She has a video showing you the dress she made using my pattern, and I will link that video below and her channel below, so you can check that out to see what other people have done with my pattern. So thank you, Chris. You guys were such a blessing to me. And I also want to say a thank you and shout out to Stephanie Farrell Focus, because she has encouraged me for over a year now to try to get my pattern out, and seeing her get her pattern out, the hoodie hugs, was so inspiring to me. And thank you, Stephanie, for all your encouragement. I really appreciate it. You're an inspiration to me. If you want to see how I use this in helping do my pin tuck lines, check out my video at that timestamp. The link to my pattern is in the description box below. And the link to the instructional video is also in my description box below. And remember, there's timestamps, so you can just go to the section that you need help with to make it easier. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.